What if machines didn't just follow instructions but actually made decisions on their own? Right now, AI systems are driving cars, landing rockets, and even thinking through complex problems. These aren't just programs, they are intelligent agents, and they are quietly taking over tasks once thought impossible. In the next few minutes, you'll understand exactly how they work and why they matter more than ever. An intelligent agent is something that sees the world, thinks about it, and takes action. It could be a robot, a chatbot, or even a recommendation system. The magic happens in three steps: perception, decision, and action. Just like humans, but faster and data-driven. To design an intelligent agent, we use something called the P's framework. Not all agents are equal. Some just react instantly. The environment an agent operates in changes everything. Goal-based agents don't just react, they plan. This isn't theory anymore. Companies like Tesla are building self-driving cars. At the center of modern intelligent agents is something powerful. But with great power comes serious challenges. Intelligent agents are no longer the future. They're already here.